What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to get YouTube music for free. Premium version, you don't have to pay any monthly fees. As you can see, we can play music and we can download songs for free. So let's get started. First, you will need to visit this website. I will leave the download link in the description, and you will need to download the IPA. Once you download the IPA, you will need to install SideStore to be able to install YouTube music. As you can see, we already have it installed right here. And the 7-day, it expires in 7 days, but we can refresh it. So I'm not going to show you how to install it because I've already installed it. But if you want any video on SideStore, you can type in SideStore on YouTube and they will show you how to install SideStore. Yeah guys, it's that easy. Now we got YouTube music for free. Yeah. Thanks for watching.